Hello guys, welcome to Tech Me Devoted. Today in this video, we will write a Java program so that we can shut down, restart or lock our machine using obviously Java code. Means what we will do, we have proper command for that. If you want to shut down your machine or restart or even lock your computer, so we have particular command for that, and we can do that in using command prompt if you are using Windows machine. So we will use that one and we will write a Java program so that when we will run our code we can execute those things, and using this we can customize our name of command. Like shutdown, we can customize with our own name. For restart something, for log, suppose you want to give name of sleep or anything you want, we can do that. So let's start coding, and this is very small program, but hope you will like it. So let's start. So here I have created one class. Here I will write program for that. So first what we need to do, suppose you want to get your name of operating system you are using, what in your machine. So what is the, how we will get that? So we can, suppose we can write string operating system. Okay, any, if you want to know the version or which operating system you are working currently, so take some, we have system dot, we have one get property method. So here is the get property. Okay, so if you write os dot name, it will provide you the name of your operating system you are currently using. So let's print it, and sorry, so in this way we can know the, if you, I will run this, I will it will show my operating system what I am using. Obviously it will show Mac if I run this. See, Mac OS X, but as I'm discussing here for Windows machine, so when you will run it, it will show Windows and some version, whatever version you are using, 7, 8 or anything. Okay, so now let's write command for that, for shutdown and for log, for restart. So we have one class runtime. Okay, and we will, sorry, t is small only, we will use this. If you go here, okay, sorry, let's first write time equal to runtime dot, we have get runtime. Okay, so if you click here, this is runtime is a class, and we have here we can see method, whole lot of method are there, free memory, total, means uh, you can use runtime class for various type of using executing command, and a lot of thing you can use on system level programming. You can use this runtime class. Okay, so we will use the same. Okay, now what we have to do, so let's take input from user, as we have been using this for a long time. So let's write scanner. That's it. Then we will use. Okay, we have taken we user will be prompted for this, either log, shutdown or restart, and whatever you want to write you can go ahead, and we will capture this in command string. Okay, now let's start writing the thing. So I'm writing, first we'll checking operating system. Okay, so operating system, here this one, here we are using this, so we will check operating system, let's say it to lowercase. Okay, now we will check dot whether it contains windows or not, because we are checking writing for windows. Okay, so we will check here for windows. Okay, so if contain windows, when we will run this, uh, this operating system should contain this. If you are using windows machine, and if whatever version you are using, this must come windows, either 7, 8 or whatever you are using, this must come. So we will check whether it contains windows or not, or we can write win also. In this way we can check whether this operating system contains what operating system is there. So I'll check for windows. Now we will write command here. If it's like that, then we will, what user will write, suppose user will write shutdown. Okay, we'll check shutdown equal, let's take equal ignore case, because user may give in capital case also. Here we will write the command. Okay, whatever the command he will choose. So shutdown he choose first, then we have runtime dot, this runtime we can use, see here execute command. So here we can write the command. So for shutdown there is a command shutdown, sorry, shutdown, then hyphen s, then t, and then 0, means we can give time also, after what time it will be shut down, or 0 we have taken, so it will shut down that time only. Okay, now here it will throw some exception, we have to add throws statement, so it will throw IO exception. Okay, now this is shutdown. Similarly we will write for lock and restart. For lock we have command, it's a long command, run, we have L, this is a command to lock your Windows machine. Run dll32.exe, then user 32.dll, and comma lock workstation. Okay, L is capital, W is capital, and S is capital. So this is for lock. If you want to restart is similar to this one, just the difference is here we have to put R. Okay, so this is all about things. We can do different kind of system level programming here, means we can execute command, uh, operating system command, and runtime, whatever you want to do we can, if you know the command you can use in our Java code. And basically this runtime class provides this facility for that. Okay, so if you run this. Obviously I cannot run here because I'm not working on Windows right now, but I you should write this code and run on your system. And also I don't want to shut down my machine right now. So we can do here for various type of machine. Suppose here for Mac we can also write the, here we have to write the Mac command. If you are using Unix or Linux, then we have to use here that particular command. Actually this is system level command. For Windows specific, this is the command. This won't run for other operating system. Okay, so try running this, and will you will check one after shutdown. First check shutdown, run lock and restart, and please comment me below whether you are able to do this.